This is a tutorial on how to do connecting math word problems. Here's the question. A goat ate 19 more carrots than a rabbit ate. The rabbit ate 7 carrots. How many carrots did the goat eat? So we know that the first thing we need to do is draw our arrow. So here's our arrow. Remember that the big number always goes at the end and the small numbers always go on the left side of the arrow. So now we need to figure out what is our big number. Well, let's read our problem again. A goat ate 19 more carrots than a rabbit ate. Did the goat eat more carrots or did the rabbit eat more carrots? The goat did. So the goat is going to be our big number. And that means that the rabbit is going to be one of our small numbers. So we have both of those numbers down. So a goat ate 19 more carrots. So we're going to put the 19 there. Okay, so the first sentence is the most important sentence in the beginning. So we got the whole thing out of just that first sentence. A goat ate 19 more carrots than a rabbit tells us that the goat is the bigger number, the rabbit is the smaller number, and 19 is our other number. Now, we have another thing that we can cross out. We can cross out the R because we know that the rabbit ate 7 carrots. So that can become 7. Now, if we're missing the big number, are we going to add or subtract? We're going to add. So we're going to add 19 plus 7. So 7 plus 9 is 16, carry our 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So G, or the goat, is 26. So the goat ate 26 carrots. Let's do another example. Jan weighs 108 pounds, less than Dave. Jan weighs 113 pounds. How much does Dave weigh? Let's follow the same steps that we did before. So first we have to draw our arrow. We know that our big number is going to go on the right and our small numbers are going to go on the left. So let's figure out what the big number is going to be. Jan weighs 108 pounds less than Dave. So we know Jan is going to be a small number. So if Jan weighs less than Dave, Dave will be our big number. And then our other number is 108. So we're only using that first sentence to get this part of our problem done. Now, after we're done with this part, we can't answer a problem if it has 2 letters in it. So we need to figure out what number we can replace it with. So Jan weighs 113 pounds. So we can replace our J with 113. Now we can figure out how much Dave weighs because we can add. We're finding the bigger number, so we need to add. So let's add 113 plus 108. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So Dave weighs 221 pounds. Here's our last example. A ranch has 174 fewer sheep than cows. The ranch has 982 cows. How many sheep does the ranch have? Alright, let's start with our first thing. We know our first thing is to draw our arrow. Now we need to read the first sentence, and that's how we're going to figure out what to do. A ranch has 174 fewer sheep than cows. Fewer sheep means that the sheep are smaller than the cows. So I'm putting the cows in the big space because I know the cows are the big number, and the sheep in the small space because I know the sheep are the smaller number. Now, our other number in our first sentence is 174. So we have sheep, 174 cows. So now we need to look at the next sentence to figure out what we can cross out because we cannot figure out an answer with 2 letters. We need another number. The ranch has 982 cows. So we can cross out cows and write 982. Now we can figure out how many sheep the ranch has because we can subtract. We're subtracting because the small number is the number that's missing. So to get a smaller number, we know we have to subtract. So we can do 982 minus 174. We cannot subtract 2 from 4, so we need to cross that out, make it a 7, carry our 1. 12 minus 4 is 8. 7 minus 7 is 0. 9 minus 1 is 8. So our answer is 808 sheep. Make sure that you put that unit name. Congratulations! You now know how to do connecting math word problems.